Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nazunizam bin Maslani and we are from Group 3, including Muhammad Ikmal, Wan Ahmad Zaid and Muhammad Hakimi. The basic operation. Bellow is used to measure height, low and differential pressure one end of the dark green. Expansion spring is rigidly connected with a rod at the upside of the mechanism, and the lower side is freely movable, with which the indicator is connected, marked in the light green. Pressure is applied at the upside of the dark green metal and so it expands at the below lower side of the spring. An indicator is connected which is indicating the expansion rate of the spring and in other words the pressure applied on it. When the pressure is start to taking off the spring start compressing again and thus the indicator start to go back to earlier stable position.
I want to share about the advantage of bellow pressure gauge. First of all, its cost is moderate. Second, it is able to deliver high force. Third, it is adaptable for absolute and differential pressure. Fourth, it is good to low to moderate range.
Everything in the world that has advantage, they also has disadvantage. For bellow pressure gauge, the joint of bellows can catastrophic fail. Bellow pressure gauge cannot be used to measure high value pressure. The system need to be shut down when a failure occurs. Bellow pressure gauge cannot be repaired, and if something broken, you need to replace the whole thing.
For application of bellow in industry, first, vacuum interrupter. Vacuum interrupter switching high voltage power substation can generate sparks which can cause explosion. Air is removed from the potential sparking areas to prevent explosion. This process is accomplished by sealing the spark area using vacuum interrupter. These are bellow whose confined volume is empty and refilled with an inner gas that can explode. Second, pressure gauge. If you are to measure the pressure of high pressure gas or fluid system, then you have to isolate the gauge from the conventional flow. Diagram seals are used in water installation. The seal provide a secure barrier that prevent leak of pressurized fluid or gas. You change the diagram to have a self-contained specimen sensor that give reading on the measuring device. And then load cells. Load cell undergo deformation when some pressure or strain is exerted on them. Then deformation can be measured with a strain gauge that has a low voltage current flowing through it. The voltage change can be detected and shown on a visible control panel. A bellow is attached to the gauge to give it protection from external influence.